Today we learn about Babcock and Wilcox boiler. Babcock and Wilcox boiler is a natural circulation, externally fired medium pressure, stationary horizontal water tube in which water is flow in the inclined tube. These are the inclined tubes which are inclined at 10 to 15 degree. The furnace is located outside the drum here. The boiler is invented by Stephen Wilcox and George Herman Babcock in the year 1967. So this is named as Babcock and Wilcox. Now we discuss about the main parts of Babcock and Wilcox boiler. First one is the steam generator drum, and this is the drum which is situated upside of the boiler. The one half of this drum is filled with water and other half is remaining for steam. And second part is the water tube. These are the water tubes are situated bottom side of the drum. Water flows from drum to the tubes. And now discuss about the uptake header. Here we have tubes, water tubes. The steam separator drum and water tubes, these are connected by two tubes. One this side and another is this side. This side is known as the downtake header and this side is known as the uptake header. Now the downtake header, the water flows from here, water flows from drum to the water tubes through the downtake header, and steam flows from tubes to drum through the uptake header. Next is grate, the place in the furnace where fuel is placed and burned, known as grate. And next is furnace. This is the part which is below these two here. This is the furnace, and in furnace that is situated downside of the water tubes. Here fuel burns, the fuel gases generate here. These gases flow from upper side and passes through the water tubes. These gases flow from upper side and passes through the water tubes, which heat the water inside the tube. And the next part is superheater. This is the superheater, is situated upper side of the tubes. One end of this superheater is that is connected with the steam drum and another part that is doing its work. Next is buffles. Buffles, these are the buffles which are provided in between the water tubes. Buffles, the main function of buffle is to divert the flue gases which is coming out from the furnace. So it flows more than one time through the tubes and more heat is transferred. Now the mountings which are mounted on the boiler. Here this is the safety valve, and this is stove valve, this is safety valve, and next side there are steam gauge is here. This is steam gauge, and this is water gauge, steam gauge, and this is feed chuck valve is here, and these are the counterweights which are provided here, and this is the chimney. And this is the chimney. Through chimney the flue gases that is coming out from the furnace through the tubes. From this part these are goes out and coming out to the atmosphere. And this is the trolley which are used to take the for taking the grades from the furnace. This is the so today we have discussed Babcock and Wilcox boiler. If you have any queries, ask by commenting, and you can subscribe N Universe 22 for getting more videos on mechanical topics. Thank you.